The power reserve indicates the autonomy of a movement, or more specifically of a watch. In this particular instance, we're looking at a power reserve with an autonomy of 1 week.
Ça comprend la semaine, l'espace de la semaine, la définition de l'espace-temps.
As is traditional in this profession, this has led us to develop an autonomy of 8 days.
Ça nous a amené à faire des longues durées qui ont une autonomie de 8 jours. 8 jours. Pourquoi?
Why 8 days? Well, the 8th day is really a safety net, in case we forget to wind our watch once a week, usually on a Sunday. For the watch to have a long power reserve, we obviously need to make room for the mainspring. All the potential energy is there, stored inside a cylinder, and this cylinder has to be of a certain size to have this 8-day autonomy.
Une dimension donnée pour pouvoir avoir une autonomie de 8 jours. On a augmenté la partie.
We've increased the active part of the spring to ensure a regular rate, and because the spring has a characteristic curve, to ensure we're in this functional part. We also have to find, within this curve, the flattest section possible, so there won't be too great a difference in potential. Being in this relatively flat part will give the watch a more regular rate, which is the whole point. In the history of technology and techniques, there's always room to progress, to discover something new.
De découvrir quelque chose de nouveau. Et je pense que si
I think that if we find a new alloy for the mainspring, then we could perhaps develop a power reserve of more than 8 days. We could make a watch with, well, why not, an autonomy of up to 1 month.
Une montre tout d'un coup, pourquoi pas, qui ait une autonomie d'1 mois.
To know where the movement is, whether it's used up half or 3/4 of its autonomy, there's a power reserve indicator which can be consulted at leisure to see how much autonomy is left.
À tout loisir, vous savez où vous en êtes avec son autonomie. Elle a une relation un peu intime avec l'objet, avec la montre.
There's quite an intimate relationship with the object, with the watch. This is what gives a mechanical watch its particular characteristic. The relationship you have with a mechanical watch is completely different to the one you might have with a watch with a quartz movement.